Exophytic lesion, you see, segment 6 exophytic lesion, there we are, that's some probe, that's the probe, right? Because this is a microwave, we will reach the distal edge of the lesion, there we are, the lesion is around, see if you can see it. Can you focus the lesion? Difficult to see it, only in some respiratory cases you are able to see that's the lesion now. There.
Enlarge.
You freeze it.
Enlarge करो screen.
That's the lesion. That's the needle in it. Can you see it? That's the lesion. There.
Sir.
Okay. Very good. Exophytic in a segment 6 child 8 function. This is comfortable, but once you start burning it, should complain a little bit to the distal end. So, we are happy with the penetration. The length of the probe is also really
Appropriate. Okay.
So, where is the distal end now? Yeah, there we are. This will be attached. Under surface, ऊपर.
सबसे ऊपर. सबसे ऊपर.
So, what do you know? So, we are done with it. इसके नीचे कुछ प्रॉब्लम कर दो बस लंबा ना हो जाए. And also. Okay.
Here are.
Yeah, that's the answer. Now, we're having four
This
my level.
coming.
We can see a free circulation of
Going into
whole
probe.
saline into it.
Coming.
So, now we'll start the protocol for 4 centimeter lesion.
So, chart.
4 centimeter. The transverse diameter we are looking at is around 3.5 centimeter. Transverse should be at least 3.54 centimeter.
Is 3.2.
No, we'll go for 3.5. 60 watt 8 millimeters. This is what we're looking at. Okay?
This one.
Yeah.
35 and 46. This is 60 watt for 8 minutes.
So all the parameters have to be watched for
60 watt. 60 watt मतलब 97 और
लास्ट टाइम उसने बहुत ज़्यादा उसने मेरे ख्याल से 80 वाट पे शुरू करा दिया था. अरे मजा नहीं हिलो ना चलो.
Now start.
So you are starting.
No, अभी नहीं आप
Started.
Started ना? Start. Green वाला दो.
ऑफ करने के लिए भी तैयार रहना अगर कोई वो होता है.
Started now. तो उस पे defreeze करो. Defreeze वहाँ से.
So that's the lesion. I'm running it.
Started the video.
So you might have a little bit of renal burn. But that's no, you might have renal burn. That's the lesion. That's the lesion. It's a burning nicely. Very good. I like it. Kind of fuming as we see in RFA. So burning looks very good. But it's still, I agree with one little. A little bit deepish, but this is the reason. See the roundish fume forming. So that's very good. I'm happy with it. So I'm happy with it. Gone up to 30, which is occurring quite commonly, as soon as we start it. We end up recording, it's very bad. 30 and BP we don't know.
Is 84.
So can you start again? Yeah, you want to take some time. 8 minutes का protocol you can do. अगर patient को pain नहीं होता है, be very happy. कितना रखा है temperature?
60 watt in 8 minutes.
It looks very good. बच्चे बस हर episode record करो. Because this we are kind of pioneers in this work now. Nobody else is doing that much microwave. You know? Very few people. So we have to
Very
report. We have to report these things. See this roundish region, it cooked very nicely. We're very happy with it. So,
Beautiful.
yeah? How good it is. How good. Protein also liver getting burnt. Roundish. See this there? Look, Philip.
Deep freeze कर दो.
There again, at almost 2 minutes, you only see this largish cooked area. Nothing in kidney as of now. Might appear. So, small burn in kidney is okay. Yes, tacky. Should we stop? Yes. When you say stop, we'll stop. If you think it's okay. Ready can tacky is because of pain. That's okay. So it's not beyond.
6 मिनट हो गए.
आप ठीक हैं? वो आँख खोलो. आँख खोल के दिखाओ. हाँ, ठीक है? ये दर्द है? ये ठीक हो? It's come down. So record the vitals. It's more important than anything else. So universally these are two patients. Both young patients. Both had already 30 minutes. First minute.
When you start the patient.
Both. Ready has to be explained by some mechanism. Really happy. We just done one protocol here. This. That's मैं दे दूंगा आप लोगों को. डोंट वरी. अलग से नहीं लेके चला जाऊंगा. मेरे फोन से आप टेक द गुड वन. ठीक है. सो एक्सोफाइटिक रीजन I had a doubt कि how well it will behave. It looks quite good. But now look on this kidney will get some blood. So that's
5 minutes is.
that's okay because tumor is exophytic. Even if there is micro infiltration, you are running it. So you want 5 minutes?
Yeah. 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
You want. Okay. He looks okay. Tacky, 130, but pain and tacky go together. But Brady is very difficult to explain sometimes.
90 नहीं ओवररेट कर दो.
ओवररेट कर दो. ये इसका इलेक्ट्रिकल करंट तो है नहीं. तो Brady भी देखना पड़ेगा. वो अंडर रेट तो
नहीं सर मैं आपको बोलिंग पर
उस टाइम था. Brady था.
उस टाइम था.
4 minutes.
Very good. So, I will show you a picture how it looks like 4 minutes now. That's it.
Heart it is close to 90.
That's the picture. That's the picture now. Good cooking. Very good cooking. In fact, we'll be very happy. I'm so feeling it. The experience is better than as of now. Not with the vital fluctuation, but with the
ठीक है ना?
Ablation.
ablation. Ablation. So, we will. Yeah.
5 minutes complete. Pending is 3 minutes.
So, 3 minutes.
Yeah, 3 minutes.
So we are running a 4.5 longish and 3.5 shortish, right? Yes.
We have started second number 60
Sure.
and 8 minutes. This one, yeah.
35 and
35 and
46. 45 longish. Okay. She's child A. She has good liver reserve, so she can get rid of her breast cells. She won't mind losing a bit immune function also. Although, so that's about the line we're using. and the running.
Yes.
Because one little bit more than what I wanted, but I think few means you cannot always trust, you know.
Sir, last minute. Sir,
Sir, last
let
minute.
me stop and reduce the energy for tracker. 9, 8,
That's the nice cloud we see.
5,
That's wonderful.
4, 3, 2, 1. Done.
This is surrounding liver vessels which are showing some things. Okay. 4,
4,
4,
2,
3,
1. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
चल रहा है ना?
yeah, running.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
5,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
5,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4.
बंद हो गया तेरा?
नहीं अभी 20 सेकंड है
15 सेकंड है 10
2, 1, 5,
बस लास्ट मार्क आ गया
3,
2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 7,
6, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
बस लास्ट लास्ट
बराबर है बिल्कुल।
हाँ जी